Hi, my name is Aldrin Dave Diacinto of 33-A1-8, and today I will discuss all about tool marks, and the lesson objectives are: explain the characteristic of tool marks, identify the different type of tool marks. On my presentation, I will discuss also what is tools, what is tool marks, and what are the characteristic of tool marks. The types of tool mark, the major categories of tool marks, steps on collection and examination. Tool marks help in criminal investigation. What is tool? A device or implement, especially one held in the hand, used to carry out a particular function. Tool marks is any impression, scratch, or abrasion made when the contact occurs between a tool and an object. Tool marks can be linked to tools used at a crime scene and ultimately may be used to help find the suspect who used it. Tool mark bits of two kinds, characteristic of the class and individual. The class characteristics of a tool marks include the type impression, its general, its shape, and general dimension. Class characteristics typically allow the examiner to determine what type of tool created and the impression and how many the mark was created. Types of tool marks. There are two types of tool marks. First is the impression and second is abrasion. The first type is impression, which is a negative reproduction of the tool surface. The second type is an abrasion or friction mark, left by the sliding or cutting action of the tool which produce striated areas on the mark surface. The two main types of tool marks are impressed marks, such as a hammer strike, and striated marks, such as those made as screwdriver slides across a softer surface. These two types of marks can be found together at times. Major categories of tool marks. Indentation marks are made by a tool when it presses against a softer surface, often forming a negative impression on the object receiving the force. Is a north cut dent in something. If you take a hammer to pieces of metal, you will make a series of indentation. Abrasion marks are made when surfaces slide across one another. Cutting marks are produced along the edge as a surface is cut. Cutting marks are a result of pressure being applied at the both sides of an object and are often associated with scissors, wire cutters, or shears. When used, these tools can leave behind marks and striatures along the cut edge of the material. Tool marks examination is an important discipline of criminalistics. Its goal is to establish link between tool mark and the tool that created it. Class characteristics typically allow the examiner to determine what type of tool created the impression and how the mark was created.